drawn from a well-shuffled deck of cards finds the probability of drawing first, a king. O, familiar ba kayo anak sa baraha? Sa cards. Ilan ang cards natin? Ilan ang cards? 52. Very good. Anong shape yon? Heart, diamond, gloves, and spades. Okay, first, a king. So, sabi natin, meron tayong 52 playing cards. So, ilan ang king doon? Very good. Letter A. So, the probability of getting a king is 4 over 52. Lowest termer answer, anak. 4 over 52 or they're both divisible both side by 4. Very good. So, 4 divided by 4, 1. And then 52 divided by 4, 13. So, therefore, the answer is 1 over 13. Next, letter B. What is the probability of getting a heart? O, ilan ang heart? Sabi natin, merong 4 na shape. Tama? Ilan ang heart doon? Okay, very good. 13. Over 52. Okay, 13 over 52 is equal to 1 over 4. They are both divisible both side by 13. Okay, next, a face card. Ano yung face card? Okay, sa 52 anak, hindi kasama yung joker. 54 kapag kasama. When we say face card, ito na po anak yung Jack, Queen, King. Yung mga tao. O ano yun? Ilan yun? Jack, Queen, King na hearts. Jack, Queen, King na diamond. Jack, Queen, King na flowers. Jack, Queen, King na spade. Ilan lahat yun? 12. So meaning, 12 over 52. Or, lowest term. Ano? 3 by 4 anak. 3 over 13. Okay, next. Not a king. Not a king. Ilan ang king? Oh, not a king. Very good. Letter D. 48 over 52 or 12 over 13. So that is the probability. Do you understand? What kind of probability is this? Theoretical. So hindi natin ginagawa yung experiment. Pero nakukuha natin yung probabilities.